Explore Python's intermediate capabilities by engaging in mini projects. Delve into API integration and automation, focusing on real-world applications. Gain practical experience with detailed code examples and live demonstrations, enhancing your skills in creating efficient solutions like automating YouTube thumbnail generation. Intermediate projects are crucial for bridging the gap between basic syntax and real-world applications. They enhance problem-solving skills, encourage creativity, and provide hands-on experience with complex concepts like API integration and automation. These projects prepare you for professional challenges by simulating real-world scenarios, fostering a deeper understanding of programming principles. Transition from basic syntax to tackling real-world challenges enhances professional skills. Develop projects that integrate external application programming interfaces, automate workflows, and manage complex data structures, preparing for production-ready applications. This approach builds confidence and demonstrates mastery in practical programming. Explore intermediate Python concepts through mini projects that enhance foundational skills. Master the YouTube Data API version 3 to programmatically manage video thumbnails with authentication. Engage in hands-on coding exercises, analyze real screenshots, and create data visualizations to solidify understanding and bring these concepts to life. In this chapter, we delve into the building blocks of intermediate Python through mini projects. These projects are designed to enhance your understanding of advanced programming patterns, focusing on practical applications. By engaging with these projects, you'll solidify your Python skills and prepare for more complex challenges. Explore 3 mini projects designed to enhance your Python skills. First, the shortest pathfinder focuses on graph algorithms and data structure optimization. Next, the National Basketball Association Stats and Live Score Tracker teaches API integration and JSON parsing. Lastly, the currency converter involves real-time exchange rate retrieval and GUI development. These projects offer comprehensive skill coverage, focusing on application programming, interface integration, data handling, and JavaScript object notation parsing. They provide practical applications with manageable scope, serving as stepping stones to larger software initiatives. Building a portfolio with these projects showcases your ability to work with external services and solve real-world problems, preparing you for a successful career in development. The National Basketball Association Stats Tracker provides real-time game data, offering interactive charts and detailed player performance metrics. Users can analyze shooting percentages, rebounds, assists, and more, enabling a comprehensive understanding of game dynamics. This tool is essential for fans and analysts seeking in-depth insights into team strategies and player contributions during live games. To download YouTube thumbnails using Python, utilize the YouTube Data Application Programming Interface version 3. First, authenticate your application programming interface access. Then, retrieve video metadata, including thumbnail URLs. Use Python libraries like request to download images in various resolutions. This process enables efficient thumbnail management, crucial for optimizing video presentation and engagement. Thumbnails are vital for video visibility on YouTube, acting as visual hooks that boost click-through rates. The YouTube Data Application Programming Interface version 3 allows access to video metadata, including various thumbnail resolutions. Effective thumbnails can enhance views by 154%, making them essential for content creators aiming to expand their audience and grow their channels. Install Python requests for seamless application programming interface calls and web content downloads. Use the Google Application Programming Interface Client Library to manage OAuth 2.0 authentication and interact with YouTube Data Application Programming Interface version 3. Leverage Pillow for advanced image processing, including thumbnail manipulation, resizing, and text overlay. These tools streamline automation and enhance video content management. Begin by creating a new project in the Google Cloud Console, giving it a descriptive name for your YouTube automation app. Enable the YouTube Data Application Programming Interface version 3 to access video metadata and thumbnails. Configure the OAuth consent screen, create desktop application credentials, and download the client secrets JSON file for authentication. OAuth 2.0 ensures secure authorization by generating access tokens for YouTube interactions. Use installed app flow to authenticate, checking for existing tokens in token.pickle. If absent or invalid, refresh or create new credentials using client-secrets.json. Save tokens for future use, enabling seamless API access with the YouTube Data API. Utilize the YouTube Data API to fetch video metadata, including thumbnail URLs, by calling the video's .list method with snippet as a parameter. This returns a JSON object containing various thumbnail resolutions. For example, the MaxRes thumbnail URL is https iytmg.com, vi dqw4w9wgxcq, MaxRes default JPG. To download a YouTube thumbnail, use the requests library. First, ensure the save directory exists. Then, make an HTTP request to the thumbnail URL. Handle errors appropriately. Save the image locally by writing the response content to a file. This process ensures efficient and reliable thumbnail storage. The YouTube Data API version 3's thumbnails.set method allows for automated thumbnail updates, streamlining content management. Ensure your channel is verified and in good standing to utilize this feature. Each update costs 50 quota units, with a daily limit of 10,000 units, enabling around 200 updates. Monitor your usage to manage quota effectively. The YouTube Data API version 3 allows for programmatic thumbnail updates using the thumbnails.set method, streamlining thumbnail management. Ensure your channel is verified and in good standing to use this feature. Each update costs 50 quota units, with a daily limit of 10,000 units, enabling around 200 updates daily. Monitor your quota usage carefully. Create or modify thumbnail images using Pillow, ensuring they are under 2 megabytes in JPG/PNG format and 1280 by 720 pixels. Use Image Draw to overlay text, like poll data, on the image. Save the final image as updated_thumbnail.jpg with a quality setting of 95. Ensure text is within a 400 pixels safe zone from edges. Utilize the YouTube Data API to upload thumbnails by calling thumbnails.set with the video ID and image file. Use media file upload for binary data transfer. Execute the update with the authenticated YouTube service object. Successful updates confirm with the video ID and default URL. Handle exceptions to ensure smooth operation. Monitor your API quota usage via the Google Cloud Console, noting costs per call. Implement robust error handling for issues like quota exceeded using try except blocks and exponential backoff. If higher limits are needed, request a quota increase with a clear justification through the API console. Upon executing the thumbnail update, the console displays confirmation messages indicating success. The API response data confirms the update, showing status codes and relevant metadata. This ensures the thumbnail is correctly set, providing visual feedback and data integrity for the operation. In the realm of United States election coverage, automating YouTube thumbnail updates with live polling data is crucial. This process involves fetching real-time data from sources like 538, ensuring thumbnails reflect current standings. This automation enhances engagement, saves time, and maintains consistent branding, allowing creators to focus on content rather than manual updates. Automating poll updates on YouTube thumbnails enhances political news channels by fetching live data from application programming interfaces like 538. This ensures real-time engagement, boosts click-through rates, and saves time by eliminating manual updates. It maintains consistent branding and scales efficiently, updating hundreds of videos simultaneously with a single script execution. Integrating requests, Pillow, and YouTube application programming interface enables seamless automation of election poll thumbnails. Fetch poll data using requests, overlay it on images with Pillow, and update YouTube thumbnails via application programming interface. This workflow ensures real-time updates, enhancing viewer engagement, and maintaining content relevance efficiently. The original thumbnail lacked context, showing only standard debate imagery. The updated version integrates real-time poll data, bold typography, and a date stamp, enhancing viewer engagement. This dynamic approach led to a 38% increase in click-through rate during A/B testing, highlighting the effectiveness of data-driven thumbnail automation. Chapter 6 delves into additional intermediate Python concepts, enhancing skills through practical projects. Explore advanced data structures, decorators, and context managers. These tools empower developers to write more efficient, readable, and maintainable code, crucial for handling complex tasks in real-world applications. APIs often return complex nested JSON structures. Master techniques for navigating these hierarchies, extracting data, and handling missing fields. Implement intelligent rate limiting with time delays and exponential backoff to respect API quotas. For paginated results, use loops with NextPage token to retrieve complete datasets efficiently. Utilize Pillow for image processing by resizing and cropping images with resize, crop, and thumbnail methods, ensuring aspect ratio and quality. Overlay text and shapes using Image Draw, managing fonts, colors, and positioning. Convert image formats like JPEG, PNG, and GIF, optimizing file size and quality with compression and color space adjustments. Organize code into modular components with single responsibilities, ensuring data fetching, image processing, and API interactions are independent. Utilize utility modules and configuration files for API keys. Implement dependency injection for testability. Use try-except blocks for error handling and Python's logging module for tracking. Automate execution with cron or Windows Task Scheduler, or use Python libraries for advanced scheduling. Explore essential Python libraries like Google API Python Client for Google API interactions, requests for web requests, and Pillow for image processing. Utilize Matplotlib for visualizations. For development, Visual Studio Code offers extensibility, while PyCharm provides comprehensive features. Postman aids in API testing. These tools enhance productivity and streamline development processes. Explore essential Python libraries like Google API Python Client for Google API integration, requests for web requests, and Pillow for image processing. Use Matplotlib for visualizations. For development, Visual Studio Code offers extensibility, PyCharm provides intelligent features, and Postman aids in API testing. These tools enhance productivity and streamline your coding workflow. Explore Imdad's YouTube API tutorial for a comprehensive guide on authentication and data retrieval. Dive into Miguel Gargalo's GitHub repository for automated thumbnail generation using Pillow. For intermediate projects, Tech with Tim offers a YouTube playlist on API integration, GUI development, and web scraping. Experiment with these resources to enhance your Python skills. As you advance in Python development, focus on building projects that solve real-world problems. Experiment, customize, and share your work to enhance your skills and contribute to the community. Embrace continuous learning and innovation. Customize thumbnail automation scripts to match your channel's identity by experimenting with overlay styles, fonts, and data sources. Integrate mini projects into larger workflows, like fetching National Basketball Association stats and generating thumbnails for game recaps. Document and share your projects on GitHub to build your portfolio and engage with the open source community. Access comprehensive resources including code examples, guides, and FAQs on our GitHub repository. Engage with the Python community on platforms like Reddit, Discord, and Stack Overflow for support and collaboration. For inquiries, contact us via email or GitHub issues. Thank you for your interest and participation.